This is Don from Life's Journeys, and today I'm checking into the Marriott Houston Airport. That's at IAH Bush International. I've got a king room, see there, room 6170. Let's go in and take a look. And so we're in, lights on, bathroom. It's a nice, we've got some amenities. Here, what do we have? We've got, looks like some lotion, some mouthwash. They include a dental kit and a comb, which is nice. Nice sort of probably Korean counter. Cool, our sink and toilet. A nice full shower area. Glass slider, so none of the dreaded shower curtains. They use This Works products, so they've got shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo. Looking at, I'm hoping they've got a bath towel and a face cloth. Oh, I was looking for bath towels. They're down here underneath. There's also a hairdryer that's there. So far so good in the bathroom. Front closet has a couple of extra pillows. Lots of hangers. You can see it's a bit dark on that side, but there's an ironing board in there, which probably goes with this iron, which is great. Let's check the main area. A sliding table to be able to do some writing while you're over this little mini sectional sofa that's in the corner. So nice spot to sit down. It's quite comfortable. You can see I got the luggage rack out. They had it in the closet. Got my stuff up there. Good size mirror. We've got little mini fridge here, empty right now. There's a coffee maker, small one with some water. Inside this box is some extra cups, coffees, creamers, sugars. Fair size LG television, so not bad. And then king size bed with a clock at the side. Plenty of pillows, which is nice. What do they have here at the side as amenities? We have some chocolates, a couple bottles of water. On top is some sleep aid. Some of those, probably like a lavender spray or something like that for the pillow. So that's kind of nice add. And let's take a look outside. Since we're at an airport hotel, do we have much of a view out there? Well, we got a parking garage over there. Parking garage is never exciting. And then one of the terminals, a bunch of planes hanging out. If you like watching planes go in and out, that can be a good thing. So anyway, that's a quick and dirty of this king room at the Houston Airport Marriott. So thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate that. And if you haven't already done so, I invite you to subscribe. Thanks very much. Have a great day, and may all your life's journeys be everything you dreamed of.